Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another Daily Market Report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is Thursday, May 25th. Hey, we're just approaching the Memorial Day weekend here. Tomorrow, by the way, will be the bond market will be closing a little early, about I think it's 11 o'clock Pacific Standard Time. Stock market will be going on as planned. So I hope you guys have some great upcoming plans for the long weekend here. Hey, we got one item here on the docket. We got the weekly jobless claims. So as we see last week, we had 233,000 people apply for unemployment. Forecast supposed to go up about 2,000 to 235, and only went 1,234. So still very good news here. We haven't seen it jump up. You know, sometimes we've seen it go up 40, 50, but we've been staying in this range in the 230 range, which has been excellent here. So it'll be very interesting to see what kind of job numbers we get for month of April or month of May, which might be next week. So I'll have to kind of double check that either next week or the following week. Usually they do that the first week of the month. So let's go ahead and take a look here at the headline news, and the stock market's up. They kind of liked FOMC minutes that were released. It was kind of good for bonds as well as stocks. So what they did was they talked about the balance sheet that they agreed that it does need to be reduced, but they're going to do it in a gradual way here, so that way it doesn't really disturb the markets here. Also, they project that the second quarter will increase quite a bit. But one of the things that they did have concern, you'll see the stock market went backwards a little bit yesterday, or slowed up a little bit, was they were a little concerned. They thought the valuations of stocks were a little high. So that came in a little bit surprise, or at least kind of tapered the stock market yesterday. But it didn't stop from the S&P and NASDAQ from closing at record highs here. Also, oil dropped a little bit today, just below the $50 mark today. The OPEC had announced that they're going to go ahead and extend the output cap about another 9 months. But what kind of disappointed, which they all expected that, but what they were disappointed in was that it didn't further cap it, maybe make a little bit less oil production out there. And then later today, we got some Fed speakers speaking today, so that way, just be a little cautious. What they say sometimes could change the markets here. But for the most part, it's taking its cues from corporations like Best Buy released, HP released, Medtronic, and different companies like that were releasing their annuals and reporting. So that's where it's taking most of its cue for today. So let's take a look here at the bond market. We had a bit of a rally after that nice FOMC meetings report, and they kind of delved into it about the trade, and they liked what they read about the gradual, lowering of the excuse me, I'm having a hard time getting that out. Lowering of the trade balance, or their balance sheet. So they like that. So as you see, we had a nice rally here from way down here all the way up here towards the upper end here of our resistance. And today we're kind of going up against it as well. So right now there's the same pricing as what we got yesterday. Some lenders might come out with better pricing today than they did yesterday due to the improvement of of the market late in the day. Some already priced in yesterday, so it should be the same. So it depends on the lender here. So it's either same or better than what they came out with yesterday. Okay, folks. So we'll kind of cut it short here today. But if you guys want to get more data throughout the day, just come over to Twitter. I'm on Twitter at Mike Bjork. You can find me there. I do post updates throughout the day of what's going on with the markets, including the market closes. Also, if you guys are on the market looking for real estate, I can help you out with the financial side. I'm a loan originator. I can help you out with pre-approvals and help financing that next deal. I can also help you with the refinances, helping you go from adjustable rate to a fixed rate, or go from taking money out of your equity of your property to going from a 30-year to a 15-year. We can do a lot of different things with those. We have a lot of solutions. We've created some solutions for different things as well. Help you out with. All right, folks. You guys have a wonderful day. Thanks so much for watching. We'll look forward to seeing you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.